Mirparkhas is a city located in the southeastern Sindh province of Pakistan. It serves as the administrative headquarters of the Mirparkhas district. Here's a brief description. Mirparkhas is known for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. The city is characterized by a blend of traditional and modern elements. It has a diverse population, with Sindhi, Urdu, and Punjabi being among the commonly spoken languages. The city's economy primarily relies on agriculture, with a focus on the cultivation of crops such as cotton, sugarcane, and various fruits. The region is known for its mangoes, which are renowned for their quality and taste. Mirparkhas is also home to several historical and cultural landmarks, including the Rani Sati Mandir, an ancient Hindu temple, and the beautiful Mirparkhas fort. These sites attract tourists and history enthusiasts. The city hosts various local festivals and events that celebrate the culture and traditions of the region, such as the Sindh.